for today and to love for tomorrow is the wisdom of a fool, because tomorrow is promised to no one. You see, love is that wonderful thing that the whole wide world needs plenty of, and if you think for 1 minute that you can live without it, then you're only fooling yourself. Listen, please. I'd like to tell you something that happened to me just the other day. I awakened this morning. I was filled with despair. All my dreams turned to ashes. Now they're gone, and I looked at my life. It was barren and so bare. Without love, I had nothing, nothing at all. Without love, I had nothing. Without love, I have nothing, nothing at all. I have conquered the world, but what then did I have? Without love, I have nothing, nothing at all. I once had a sweetheart who loved only me. There was nothing that he would not give. No, no, I was blind to his goodness.